Question number 37. Deviations from Rutherford scattering are detected in experiments carried out at high energies. What can be deduced? What is Rutherford's experiment? You have a gold foil kept here. You have alpha particles over here. Alpha particles are now made to impinge onto this gold foil, and you keep a detector here, and the alpha particles, most of them go straight. A few of them bounce back largely like this. Okay. So now this described something about just a minute. Yeah. Okay. This describes something about that most of the atom was seen to be empty, and as a result of this, okay, so it went away, and a few of them got rebounds over here. What does this rebounds tell you? The rebounds tell you that it's not only the Columbian interaction which is responsible for it. It is also the presence of something like your nuclear force. Nuclear force. This is what it helps us. Now, let us look at this impact parameter of the collision. No, the existence of a force different from electrostatic repulsion. This is the right answer. Okay. Size of alpha particles. No. Electric field. No. All these are incorrect answers.